My name is Lindsay Wallace, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing finger coils in my hair. My mom actually used to do this for me when I was little, and I'm basically going to try to replicate that idea. But the first thing that I have to do is wash this hair. I will be using the same shampoo and conditioner that I used in my curly hair routine, which I'll link right here at the top, or also maybe here, not completely sure. Baby, it's quite alright, I love you, baby. Alright friends, so before we get into this hairstyle, I wanted to show you some things that you're gonna need, starting with a spray bottle. I got this from the dollar store. Gel. I'm using my Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Gelée, my curl enhancing smoothie, vanilla hair butter by Maui Moisture. Alright, so coming out of the t-shirt, my hair is, it's still wet, but it's not as wet as it should be. The first product I'm going to use is my Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. I know I didn't mention this at first when I was listing all the products. Excuse me. I know I didn't say that before when I was listing all of the products that we're using. I wasn't planning on using it, and then I just decided to use it, so. And then I'm splitting my hair down the middle just so that I can rake this through. So parts are not my biggest concern at all. Like, I could care less. I'm just taking just a small part back here, and then I'm putting the rest on top. And so now I'll split that one section into two sections. I'm going in with my vanilla bean butter first. I'm going in next with my coconut hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. Finally with my Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Gelée. Now that I've got all my products layered in, I'm starting off in the back, and I'm just twisting like so. And I'm going to keep going until the root is nice and tight. This is what the first finger coil is looking like. I thought about giving up there for a second because that took forever. It took like 2 hours or something like that to finger coil all of my hair. It's drying super duper short. My hair normally sits to about like right here, and then wet it's like mid back. But I'm just going to chill out, probably edit a little bit or something while I wait for it to air dry a little bit. Alrighty guys, so it's been about an hour, maybe 2 hours of my hair just air dried, and it's mostly dry. I'm just going to go back with my blow dryer. I was looking for my diffuser attachment and I can't find it right now, and I did pick it up earlier and I thought I brought it into the room. I'm going in next with my Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils. So I have no idea where my pick is, and I'm going to use my wide tooth comb, and I'm going to pick the roots. Alright friends, so we have reached the end of this video. This right here is the finished look, and I'm loving it. I'm living for it. The curls or finger coils are defined. They're shiny, they're beautiful, and they're well moisturized and like fluffy, but in a good way. If you guys are still here and you've made it to the end of this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell notification to always stay in the know and up to date on all my videos when I post them as soon as I post them. Make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment. Let's chit chat. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I love you so much. Bye.